that?
Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
Go away.
So we did the cuddle and sort of reprised it and made it better. Instead of going rock, step, we connected the feeling of that little bowing of the rock step, but we used that to turn our hearts and we didn't lose that feeling. The other thing we did is we drove the big old bus. We just made it circular. So the rock step was a little round, a little different than normal. So rock step, that's normal. Then we went round. Really makes it feel nice on the cuddle. And remember, you can be in the cuddle for up to 3 basics. After that, get the hell out of there.
It's not a rule, but good advice.
Seriously.
All right, the next thing we tackled was the classic Frankie sixes. Not what Frankie Manning used to call it, but what we call this sequence.
Please get a close position with me now. Thank you. Here it is. That's how you do it, folks.
Ready?